about ready to go. They finished up with all their scrimmages. Now they're going to meet in the middle of the main field for King of the Field to see who can take it over.
Let's go!
Lock him! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
Mr. Sharif from Sports World over there has got a beautiful little camera. He's going to be my runner today. So when he comes by you, the louder you are, the better shot you get your team on the field first. You understand that? I want to hear it all the way in my hometown of New York. So, Mr. Sharif, if you would please go take a look at Mount Pleasant. You guys want to...